synthetic varieties, a variety developed by selecting a number of inbred lines with good general combining ability (GCA), intercrossing them in all possible combinations, and mixing the seeds of all the crosses conducted in equal quantity. So let's understand each term. What do you mean by inbred line? In short, inbred line are group of plants with homozygous and uniform genotype. Okay, group of plants with homozygous and uniform genotype. For understanding inbred line in short, watch my previous uploaded video. Link is also given in description. Next is GCA, general combining ability. First you understand the term combining ability. Combining ability means ability to combine. Ability of cultivar to combine among each other during hybridization process such that desirable genes or characters are transmitted to their progenies. Okay, means it is the ability to combine or capacity of an individual to transmit superior performance to its offspring. Okay, means individual transmit their superior performance character to their offspring. Okay, now general combining ability, it is the average performance of genotype in a series of hybrid combination. GCA, general combining ability, is an effective tool used in selection of parent based on the performance. Means it is used in selection of parent. Okay, so high GCA, what is the meaning of high GCA? How do you say that the inbred line has better GCA? High GCA, it has better general combining ability. How do you say, how can you say? It should have, means if inbred is with high GCA, inbred has high GCA, so it should have high heritability, less environmental effect, large adaptability, less gene interaction, and high achievement in selection. It is the character of high GCA, general combining ability. Okay. Now, again see the definition of synthetic variety. Okay. A variety developed by selecting a number of inbred line. You select the number of inbred line with good general combining ability, intercrossing them in all possible combination and intercrossing them in all possible combination. What does it mean? So understand this line, intercrossing them in all possible combination. First you take some inbred, superior inbreds. Okay, you select some superior inbreds depending upon phenotype or other characters. Okay, so superior inbreds that we have selected, first we go for GCA testing. Okay, first we go for GCA testing, and by this inbred with high GCA are selected. Okay, high GCA are selected and low GCA are rejected. Inbred with low GCA are rejected. Now inbred 1, 2 and 4, inbred 1, 2 and 4 which have high GCA are intercrossed. Okay, intercrossed in all possible combination, means 1 cross 2, 1 cross 4 and 2 cross 4. So by this hybridization, 3 seed lot are obtained. 3 seed lot are obtained. Okay, and now we have to do what we have to do. From all seed lot, equal amount of seeds are collected. Okay, take small amount of seeds, equal amount of seeds from all seed lot. Okay, and mix up all the seeds, mix up all the seeds and make a large seed lot. When you mix up all the seed collected from small seed lots, a large seed lot are obtained. This represents the synthetic variety. Okay, now you have achieved a synthetic variety, you have obtained synthetic varieties. Now multiplication and maintenance. How do you multiplication and maintenance? How do you multiply synthetic variety for further? So multiplication and maintenance is done by isolation and open pollination. For multiplication and maintenance, synthetic variety must be grown in isolated condition. Okay, isolated condition, and open pollination should be allowed. Open pollination should be allowed. Okay. Now, features of synthetic varieties. Synthetic varieties are heterogeneous in nature, and cross pollination is must in synthetic varieties production. Okay, and it is maintained by open pollination, and cross pollination is must. And synthetic variety is more adaptive to varying growing condition as compared to hybrids. Okay, and it is less uniform as compared to hybrid. It shows some amount of heterosis as compared to open pollinated varieties. It has better disease resistance, low yielder than single cross hybrids or double cross hybrids, but yield higher than inbreds. Okay, higher than inbreds. Production is less costly as compared to hybrid varieties, and farmer can use his own seed for 4 years as there is no reduction in yield up to that period. After that, seed should be replaced.